Welcome everyone. In this video I will teach you about the shapes layers in After Effects. So let's create a new composition. The length of composition is 5 seconds and let's make it 1080p and then click OK. Now we have our composition. So there are two ways to create shapes. So let's see the first one, which is very easy. You can pick any shape you want. Okay, and then you can create a shape like this. Okay, so in a shape there are two things that are necessary. The number one is the fill and the second one is the stroke. So if you click on the fill here, you will see you can make the fill empty, you can make it a solid color, you can make it a gradient or make it a radial gradient. So let's make it a solid color now and then click OK. Now click on stroke. Okay, so you can do the same thing with the stroke. You can give it a solid color, you can give it a gradient. Okay, let's give it a solid color and change the color of the stroke to orange and then increase the stroke like this. So now you can see we have created a shape layer. Okay, you can modify the settings of the shape layer by selecting it, and inside this shape panel you can change the size, you can increase the roundness, you can do all of these settings by going here. Okay, you can change the stroke width, you can do the same setting, you can edit the same settings from here and here, both of them are same. Okay, then if you go down you will see the fill. Okay, you can change the opacity of the fill as you want. So in this way you can create shapes in After Effects. Okay, let's delete this one and create a ellipse. Okay, by holding Ctrl and Shift. So we have created an ellipse. Let's make the fill empty and then give it a stroke of the white like this. Okay, then decrease the stroke width like this, then expand the ellipse, go to stroke and then you will see the dashes. So click on it and you can see it will create dashes in the stroke of the layer. You can increase the dash amount like this. So I think this one is good. Okay, then you can play with the offset as you want. So let's make it 0 and hold Alt and click on this stopwatch. What it does, it will allow us to write some expressions. So let's write the expression is time steric 250. So it will get multiplied by time. So it will automatically animate the offset value according to the time. So you can see so it is working. Okay, right now we are seeing a issue, which is this one. So let's not animate the offset. So in order to remove the expression, just hold Alt and click here, click on the stopwatch, then expression will be removed. Okay, then let's go to transform of the ellipse and then you can see we have different things. So let's add animation for the rotation. So hold Alt and click on it and type time steric 250. Okay, let's close this and now we have our animation. Okay, press Ctrl D to create a duplicate and decrease the size of it like this, and then press U on your keyboard to see the expression, and then change the expression to a lower value like this. And then if we run the animation, you can see the outer one is faster and the middle one is the slower. Okay, now let's create another ellipse. Okay, let's duplicate, no need to create another one. Let's duplicate and this one create a clone like this and then expand it, go to contents, ellipse, and strokes, and then we don't want any dashes, so click on the minus button. Now our dashes has been removed. Okay, then select the shape layer and create mask like this. Okay, so right now before creating a mask we need to pre-compose it. So right click, pre-compose, give it the name of the circle. Okay, so our circle is in now pre-composition. Now we can create a mask on it. Okay, let's create a mask like this, and now you can see only a small part is visible. Okay, let's go to rotation, hold Alt and click on the stopwatch and type time steric 50, and now you can see it is animating. Okay, let's fix the anchor point. So let's click this button here and then move the anchor point to this to here, and let's run the animation. So in this way you can create this kind of shapes with the help of the shapes. In After Effects you can create a star like this. Okay, place it in the center. You can give it some fill. Okay, change the type of the fill from here to the solid color. Okay, let's delete this star because we don't want it, and then create a pre-composition of everything. And now we can apply the glow effect. So go to effects and presets and type glow and drag and drop this glow effect here. Increase the glow radius, and that's it.